Hey, welcome back to Bubba's Home Tips. Today I want to tell you, most people have not really thought about that a toilet is a pee trap, all right? Sometimes you get those funky odors, and I talked about in my last video about your odor could be coming out of the drain of your tub because there's a pee trap down there, and if you're not using the tub for a long period of time, sewer gas will emit into your home, and you'll start having a funky odor in the bathroom. All right, but I'm going to talk to you today about the toilet. See, there's your pee trap. A toilet is a pee trap. I did find a house once where the water was all gone out of the toilet, evaporated and gone, and the person's basement was reeking something terrible. And I had to bring it to their attention. There was no water in the toilet, and you must keep water in the toilet. Otherwise, sewer gas will come into your home. Another issue is caulk. You want to caulk all toilets, I believe it's code, should be caulked to the floor. What that does is seals this all the way around so that if the wax ring is not sealed completely around, you could get sewer gas through here. So if you're getting that funky odor in the house, it could be your toilet. So just another tip from Bubba, no messing around, and please join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com, where we grow 6-pound tomatoes, 2,000-pound pumpkins, 228, actually world record watermelons by Chris Kent of Sevierville. Join us. But in the meantime, if you got any stink going, there's the cure. Bubba's Home Tips. We'll talk to you soon. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Toilets are pee traps.